Hi everyone, it's me again, Teacher Sky. Welcome back to your constant dose of English. For this video, we are going to continue discussing about essay connectors. This time, we will examine linkers or connectors which indicates reason or cause. We will also provide you with their meanings and give example sentences. In this way, we believe that you can use these linkers much more easily in your essay works. Now, let's get started. So, when you use essay connectors indicating the reason or cause in a sentence, two different clauses must be related to each other. Here are some examples of these connectors. Number one, due to. For example, the traffic jam was due to a terrible accident at the intersection. Number two, because of. For example, the company went bankrupt because of its poor management. Number three, as. For example, we will have to go without him as he hasn't arrived yet. Number four, since. For example, since he had not paid the rent, he was told to move out. And lastly, number five, for. For example, I decided to call it a day for I was feeling really tired. And there you have it. That's your constant dose of English for today. This is Teacher Sky. See you all on the next update. Goodbye.